no free on my and shut down my finance minister, Juma Fufru Bianca. And them say, will be say, and Nunquano, because all the other policies now a drive general economic growth in the ministries are for frase. And no taste Casemneswa. Or her saying, I saw this car we kohana ma ye na in generally finance ministers don't drive any special developmental policies necessary for us and no manage the fiscal space of the economy.
So Osha Dr. Atofosina, the background our taxation emunum. Eno kan ho bi ena aboa amasese a ye debt se akofom e kana combine no edie so compare to the previous administration now say ena obeka no e kana ye de previous administration no ene sese ade no watumi manage consistency no etesen.
Well, sisi na koye be se panic na haban when you ask that question. Mitiwe sesabe enye my responsibility to various car and as a daddy das it na mu niema yese mitua car e dan car den ni ade na kanya se me ne wu nyina yesi embo se wo ye be yesa niema no ye makom niema ye be tua ka bi yesi tua school fees ba ya tua rent ya tua anka me no nke wo sika pa entisisi no the management of the economy no koye because some interesting areas be anka spending expenditure econo enkoye enti ubaka kese yetua teacher fo binum ka yentua ye se yetua nurses fo binum ka yentua ye nanu ya so ubaka ya nanu ya Greek ministry finance ministry and kese sika bi come here dey support ku adwuma enkoye menu ya Kofi Adams kokoye African Athletics Championship we won kratro kan yi yes na kese 4 million biko anko se asudi eda me no so no ye tuatua na ye yi sika de bia de ye ne ese ye nti na ye ni sika wo na nke ye se anopa top money ese ye nyi enkura ko school fees aba ye ntua ye anke wo sika pa aha nti no wo de toto previous government ne de no ho a some basic attention were given wo de toto what is it now no ho a and he will call it discipline and I say rigidity. Or just say, I think it must be very, very, very important as an way is cardiaco. But one here, na importance, na quite relative. I dear who a important man. Ebia na ko important a movie. And to the no yes is the dia. A man for best afar at the expense of the management of the economy. To where a drajum ko here said the no be a meto, oko higher said the no be a man for who at the expense of the fine economics that we see in the books. And choices. Finance minister we bet me say oh nurses for me mo street suma me so omusi kad metua mom. Oh yi di tua na ni na important aspects of the economy no. Na sika ba krum na obi abotomu aye ne de no. Na e bia ne books mu no enkyere se wo sika. But obetimi so keep ni nyina wo ne books mu. Na e bia manfo ni su kakra e bia wa ye na jo se bia next year de ko no. And be releasing for now there or my amount for now you can books ni ma ye good kaka ni nyina ye economic choices are ejina the person who is in charge nti e bia finance minister Aminanta ye adwuma de aboa his excellency John Dramani Mahama no omuhu modern bosen ye mu miensa ofo se modern bo woso na kire me ni nti a o se omu modern bo woso me yes ahwehwe mu ni wie ye no na top 5 na ye a Greek minister Eric Opoku honorable ono odi kan ne na otoso mienu na ye openi atofo ye na ye kana asem ya ono otoso mienu ne otoso miensa I think say na ye energy minister yeni aginapo na enchechemu de ba ni nyina na sisisi so energy minister enya ohaw omu ba ban ni mu foforo no kwanya ofa so a efedu baby ne enka ne na gina na nsem hodum so ye ba ye sebe yenyina ehu na ho keka ne ade ene free mu de but epija you see you must be challenged and then we must see say wetimi akwa edisa challenge ni so nkunim ansa na okun na chi no ye de abasubobi abo. My question is minister see ebo mudin okun be na ye de share omunsa o mede so nkunimu a enti ye bo ma baso enti media ubisa me a metimi yi finance minister to the extent that na ye wo economy hu how oba ye whatever the choices he has made onu odi omko muntu aye ne den ni nyina achi no kra no he has something to show say or the inflation abafom watimi amasi the dollar no agina you may have a challenge with his choices ya discuss here no but watimi di okun bi so nkunim my question is regional minister for Greater Accra Meninsa no miami nuaba oklu okun be pa na wo Greater Accra we di so nkunim a mbo na baso I don't understand
akwaye mentwa no akwakoye topic a ye discuss people obia e ka ho asem say eye den na obewura mu biem and I think I am a follow up question po say our this no omo nyina fata wose fata do they deserve say na ko so obia enya sa awards no especially the Greater Accra regional minister
meyi minia ato forcing and I'm not isolating him for any reason and yes for minya bias on that but and I make my preamble is that abasoboba wabra wedi okun besu nkunim and if you ask me economic situation ani ewo mu no ne oba beso mu no at least we be the chere say betimi adi nkunim akodu a certain extent na me krampo ne ka me nko anka ye mo osani abaso wo ko ano when the soldier is still in battle still no ogusu gina ko ano a yenya solve your problems nwie ya ono no gina no a wo ko ye mo na baso me na na kwambasa ina ka chem say ye mo okufo abaso ewo okun ano. Let us not begin to do this thing to make them feel like we are there. Look at the time in Yedeba Abaso or Greater Accra. Me sure say me baby omuye venue no program no konkwa ni nsu enyi amfa. No mu kro mu program no mu kofi kro mbefa nsu mu na akọ. Eno ne abaso body no. Enti ubisa me a ni owo bibi de kire me say the issue on his award no finance minister and makasa me kra me ye bia me bisa Ghana for mako over 16,000 and they involve otoso mienu and they safo so we dikan ya mini problem but one more maka no ye de galam say kona se me aminu me ni nyina na ehre amakofi bua ye de ahye nensa emunkunim die ni wen do you get it and I say miniaba afote deputy minister in charge of transport sabe nia ai trotro for ye ni lorry fare boya e ko na ebe ya ye hu bibia dia nipa ho akere mo nkran kromu ni kumase ni onye ka amfo no e ho award no no ye dia ma no na say den mesre emeya nye let's take governance serious in my view na ye ka say award ye ma award nkyere say award ye nkyere basobo na ye hu se wo openi say ni challenge ye de soma no man peni John Dramani Mahama de adwuma ne sense no na this was the challenge. He has been able to overcome that challenge. And so, yeah, Bonabaso, Mrs. Medesa, Sisudiana, to Hodia, and then Kameyi finance minister to force and qua. One more Macanina, I say, and so be, Timudebi, I say, Abasubona, Naban, yeah, Bonicake. Let's take governance very, very serious. Naye Memu said, you man, the show, Musabi. Omunyan new baby, a man for a nation. And I do a crown, a man for none, a beboma bash. You will not need a certain institution or then to come and place a certain award on you now. Multima Yode. Let's take Abasubo the word Abasubo reward. It's a very important and a very serious word. And me and Tutuna Society Chanekeke.
All right. I think by your own words, say and yes, say Abasubo and I born a sakeke. Me jina wa wasemi suneme busa. Organizers or more organizer now or bo Abasubo day. Again, I will catch one more next time. What be before us? I be more. Again, I won't share your final words.
Good. Mestre say, Omunya ni amiye ni bi. Me ma nyese me de koba abaso. Me ye say memo bie hu say no manfo ne ka for hu o. Na se sebe wo fo say wo ye bibi different from say na manfo ni hu na. Wa bra bonten ne be kira manfo so. Me hu report no. Na mo say na mo say. Na no say ni say na me ye because ye nso kane amfa nse kane aduase. That was my main aim for doing what I did. In fact, me yes, I work in the and the minister in charge of your friend is saying works and housing nominally. You see them trying to do one or two things in the public's eye. Me sure first no more be. And so now me know who cry baby at sense and Johnny Penico. Now we said then unia wire in the year 2025. And so no, at least when the report came out, everybody is trying to do something to show himself up. The road minister is doing well, this one, that one, that. Sadi ya no ne nya se ye de kojina ba bi atama hinche dia show bi. Okunu nyina ye nya ni nkunim. E na mesre se finance minister nko adi nkunim na agric ministry so far enye nkunim die enwemu die. And no, they should begin to think about how to work together. Now, to the event organizers, the thing should be guided by research and data. Omunko Ghana Fanina, no me fafa baby. No musha down for Nipekunian Kose. Greater craft way. You are nominating regional minister at the Naba. Mwaje was saying, Osaba Subafata now on set, call a clote for. Mohia dear Ben, oh, you minister Nima, Wayama, no Yanya Mamu, Ablikuma for, Adenta for, Sayo Sudoku for, Mikrum, Ada, East and West, Kisane for, then Yaya Mamu. No more Janasudia is Sudan, so his nomination has been approved by maybe all the 30 plus constituencies in Greater Accra. Ye rank here, O Muma for Nebetre, some of our Subodian Mana and Mamma. Enti muma enhwehwemu mapa event organizers mesre mumma enhwehwemu mapa enkosa assignment nenye betua 50,000 na memo award ana betua 25% ye hu sempanifo minimum APP ba ye tititi eba no sa dia na ase nunu ye ho na yasre both the event organizers and those who went there happily ye bo maami okludin na maybe di muntu ma se for man ni ade one mo ye whom are you deceiving whom are you cheating Greater Accra is in flood. The whole area is saturated with water. Everybody is crying in the area where everybody else was crying. More than to myself, former the minister in charge of that particular region. Who should touch them to I mean, no only in MBAO. And both the organizers and the suppose that what this no must appear to be serious about the whole conversation. Na ye man should move my pankoso. Who did any better to be able to say, oh, wait, dear. Don't want to say, oh, wait, dear. Or sefata. Nenye di amude tu hoya se you be anwon we. Social media crowd ya na airtime crowd send ya atwetwe ni me ma yekoso on ma airtime. It tells them say event organizers no o ma mo mani an confusion mu ma research and data anka sa anse dan koso in the selection of those people. If you mo mani kudi sa 50,000 25,000 na ye nyina ye nia pesa white dia bezu just say no na informing the award na wa to me 50,000 bia no ye de be ma wa went me entia no. Yeah, farmer. Modern bar, me bias. I'm not being biased. Modern bar, me, I mean, I'm a neighbor. Asante region. 70 bina a minia baku Eastern region. And I had to tell us aqua. If you should move in a course, I'm award not Chenibasa. Santi message to the event organizers. Yes, the money they are taking is good. Maybe to help them to organize and pay for their bills. But Banam would be better, they are making sure say. Scientific review mapa emu edu akoso na mamu research ni beda bonten the award ni mu bia ye hu say oh at least enye perfect Christ close to perfection now where the true situation and the award that came no interval gap na dem no so too much and men no kreba akokura and men no kreba akokura say dem ye nchita award bi ma ye ho an echeche until to the event organizers like you have asked no message so deep research and kasankum. We should present report at say no man for the cafe huntia my day mom. And there's one thing with research, it must relate with the truth. Most as an institution, you must be able to verify what the people have said and say, oh, okay, no man for Nikeni. Yes, we need to from Sha, Mami.
Anumre ene obre. Nyame enka ho. Professor Smart yenka eba ye fedikase eso.